Welcome back to AI Streetz. Welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a family. Like we can have a white family or a black family that are together, like they post together on 4th of July to take a picture, and they are smiling and they're happy. So let's get into it. The first thing we're going to do, we go to slash imagine, okay, and then we will use emojis today. Okay, to get the emojis you hold Control E, and when you have Control E you go to this one right here. This is the emoji. You click on it and then you look for the family emoji. Scroll down. I want a mom, a dad, and two kids. Like this one. Yeah, this one right here. Mother, father, daughter, and son. I'm going to select this one, okay? And then I will write here an African American family celebrating 4th of July in patriotic colors. And I should have African American family smiling. Let's go here. Smiling, celebrating 4th of July patriotic colors. Um, I'll put the white, blue background. You can switch your words up. Just use your imagination, but I'll show you how I use the emoji to get amazing images. You see, we use the family emoji, African American family smiling, celebrating 4th of July in patriotic colors, red, white, and blue background. Okay, let's run it. Enter. It's coming in. Okay, here they are. Let's check them out. This is beautiful. And you have this one too. And you have this one. This looks more like real people, and this looks like cartoon. These are beautiful. You can use them. You can definitely use them. Then if you want to take them like loosen them up, you can click on these, all of them that you want. Okay, let's go back up. U3, U4. This is the first one. I love it. It's cute. Father, mother, and 3 kids. These are also nice. Beautiful. Very, very nice. So you can go in and create your own. Very, very nice. Okay, I will use this right here, the same emoji, not the same emoji, the same prompt. I will copy it, Control C. I will go back here, slash imagine. I'll put it in, and I'll remove African American. If you want to put, you can put Hispanic, Mexican, Asian, everything will come. And then we'll run it. Okay, here they are. They're beautiful. Check them out. Kids, beautiful. So you can make your own, and to take them out of each other, you can, yeah, here. And you can also make variations if you want to. But I just show you the prompt on how I did it. Emoji, family, smiling. If you have just family, the word family, you will get Caucasian, like white people. If you want a specific kind of people, specific race, like skin color, you have to add it into the prompt. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe and to share the videos, and catch me in the next one. Thank you.